Google has been putting a lot more emphasis on the widgets feature with the Android 12 beta. But even if you aren't running the latest version of Android on your device, the company's latest app updates are also bringing some improvements to existing widgets they've had for years. One such example is the Google Calendar application, which just received an update to version 2021.37. Now, we aren't seeing any major user interface changes to the calendar application itself with this update, but it has included some improvements to the two widgets that come with the application. You saw one of them here, and the other one is on this screen. So the Google Calendar application has two widgets, a weekly and a monthly. And the latest update to the app adds a little plus icon to the top right corner of these widgets. And this icon will now let you quickly add calendar events with a single tap of a button. So now with this latest update, as long as you have one of these widgets on the home screen, you just have to tap the plus icon to add a new entry to the Google Calendar application. But once updated to the latest version available, the plus icons are instantly added to the two Google Calendar widgets that are available. So with the upcoming release of Android 12, I do expect to see Google expanding the feature of the widgets offered by its applications over the next few months. So if you're into widgets, then definitely keep an eye out for these updates for your favorite applications. Android 12 seems to have brought some newfound enthusiasm from Google when it comes to widgets, and I look forward to seeing how this continues to evolve over the years.